Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're making Pasta Primavera, a colorful, fresh, and flavorful pasta dish that's full of seasonal veggies. It's perfect for a quick, nourishing meal and a great way to eat the rainbow. As always, before we begin, let's wash our hands. Make sure you're scrubbing for at least 20 seconds with warm soapy water. Here's what you'll need. Broccoli, bell pepper, zucchini, parsley, Parmesan cheese, grape tomatoes, penne pasta, carrots, lemon, garlic, onion, squash, olive oil, Italian seasoning, and salt. Make sure to wash all our produce thoroughly under running water. To prep the vegetables, first peel your carrot and cut into thin matchsticks. Then, slice your red onion into julienne strips, which are long, thin strips of onion. Next, cut your bell pepper and make sure that you remove all the seeds. You will slice the bell pepper into long, thin strips. Next, slice your broccoli into long, thin strips as well. Then, slice the zucchini into circles and cut these circles in half. Then, we'll do the same thing with the yellow squash and place the squash and zucchini into one bowl together. Put the broccoli and peppers into a different bowl, and put the carrots and onions into a third bowl. Next, cut the cherry tomatoes in half and add to a bowl. Then, finely dice your garlic. In a bowl with tomatoes and garlic, add your Italian seasoning. You can roll your lemon so it's easier to juice, then slice it in half, and then you can hand squeeze the lemon juice into a bowl. Next, cut the stems off of fresh parsley and then finely dice it. Then move this parsley into its own bowl. Bring a medium pot of water to a boil. Cook the penne pasta in salted water according to the package directions. Meanwhile, heat olive oil in a large 12-inch skillet over medium-high heat. Add your red onion and carrots and saute for 2 minutes. Then, add broccoli and bell pepper and saute for another 2 minutes. Then, add squash and zucchini and saute for 2 to 3 minutes or until the veggies have nearly softened. Finally, add garlic, tomatoes, and Italian seasoning and saute for 2 minutes longer. The ingredients are added in this order because they cook at different speeds. After everything is sauteed, add a half cup of pasta water to the vegetables on low heat. This step is important because it will thicken the vegetable sauté. Next, your pasta should be ready, so strain the pasta. Pour the pasta into the vegetable mix and stir thoroughly. Finally, toss 1/4 cup Parmesan on top and then add fresh parsley. Next, you can add salt to taste. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video. Bye!